Welcome back. So today is a big IT day in terms of earnings. You've got three nifty large cap IT companies reporting numbers. Infosys, Wipro, LTIMindtree. It's just that all three of them report their numbers post-market hours. So I just want to quickly run you through what the street is anticipating. Let's start with the big boy Infosys. Now here, just quick three things about each of these three companies. About Infosys, expect a very strong revenue growth ahead of peers. So dollar revenue growth 3.6%, constant currency revenue growth at 3%. And this 3% is better than what peers have reported, like a TCS, which was about 1.1%, and HCL Tech at 1.6%. Now, the question is, will this drive a guidance upgrade? And analysts believe yes. So Kotak, Citi, Morgan Stanley, they're all expecting the company will raise the current revenue guidance from 3 to 4%, and they will up it. Now, since June, though, Infy has outperformed its peers, having rallied close to about 40%. So the street is expecting good numbers, and that's what's already been priced in. Now, when it comes to Wipro, for starters, expect a flat revenue growth. Revenue growth for the company has been negative for the last 6 consecutive quarters. This time, according to the CNBC-TV18 poll, expect a 0.1% revenue growth, so very flat. The key will be next quarter's guidance, which is seen at minus 0.5 to 1.5%. And also remember, this time Wipro will be considering a bonus, its first bonus issue since 2019 and the first one under the new CEO. For LTIMindtree, again, the street is optimistic because 35% of its revenues come in from the BFSI sector. And we know the BFSI sector is doing well. It's showing signs of recovery and growth and momentum. So expect about a 2.7% revenue growth this quarter. And even in the prior quarter, led by BFSI, growth was quite strong. Margin expansion is likely to continue for the second consecutive quarter. 15.5% is the CNBC-TV18 poll. But, LTIMindtree struggled last year. Till then, they were always in the top quartile, they used to call it, in terms of revenues, in terms of, profitability, etc., growth, in terms of growth metrics. And last quarter, they struggled because of BFSI. So now, now the BFSI is again picking up. How do they get back to, with the top quartile, industry-leading kind of growth? That's something the street will watch.
Okay, these are important numbers and a busy day for you yet again. We've been saying it for the last couple of days. Thank you for that, Reema. But with that, let's move on now. Nagraj